Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce you to something that I'm working on an app called Unilevel MLM Plan. If you run a Shopify store or if you have thought of adding affiliate program to your business, this is for you. Let me take a few minutes walk you through exactly what it does and why I built it. In an admin side, inside the Shopify admin, when the merchant uses every day to run the affiliate program, the first screen you can see when you open the app at a glance summary tiles showing the total affiliates, pending commission, paid withdrawals, paid out, and orders. Designed so a merchant can check the health of their program under a 10-second. The quick action link, view affiliate, view commission, open the analytics, quick navigation, affiliate commission, withdrawal, wallet, orders, ranks, settings, help, and about. The next page is affiliate management. From here, new affiliate app can be added manually with a name, email, phone, and parent applying. From here, admin can edit any affiliate details, delete the affiliate. Here that you can see the total earnings of the affiliate. When you click on the view, you can explore the whole detail about that affiliate. Like download tree, commission, withdraws. The next is orders. Every Shopify order that trigger, the commission is listed here. For each order, you can see referral code, the exact amount of each affiliate got, whether the commission are pending, process, or reverse. Next is commissions, the complete ledger of every commission ever paid. It, it's filtered by status, process, reverse or cancel by level also. Export the whole list to CSV also. Next is wallets. Each affiliate has the wallet with the two balance. Pending balance, commission earned but not yet finalized. Available balance, commission cleared but ready to withdraw. Then withdrawal workflow. Payout approval queue. When the affiliate requests the payout, it lands here in the pending status. On approve, trigger the automatic crypto payout via now payments, reject with option notes. See the full history of the with the time spent and the admin notes. Next is ranking system. Here the admin can define the rank like bronze, silver, gold. The minimum each rank you can set the minimum number of direct referral, bonus rate, badge emoji icon. Rank bonuses pay out automatically. Next is analytics. The charts and reports for the entire program. A commission chart, revenue by level, top earner leaderboard, affiliate growth program, pending versus paid breakdown. Next is membership payments. If you charge a sign up fee, this page shows every paid sign up, affiliate amount, status, paid, and action button. Action button shows that from here the admin can mark pending payment as a paid. Then settings. The setting page, the single page to configure everything. Order commission rates per level up to 10 levels. How many levels are active? Withdrawal, payouts cookie, minimum withdrawal amount, referral cookie date. Affiliate membership fee, commission is based on currency set and commission is based on subtotal or total. Crypto payer provider, now payment or a manual. Email verification dongles, registration commission rates per level. The next is store front end side, what affiliate can see. The store front end tracker, the theme app extension automatically capture the code from the URL in your storefront and store it in the cookie. No theme code change is needed. When what customers sign up or buy, the referral is automatically credit. Affiliate sign up. The customer fill up the form, name, email, and the referral code stored in the cookie and submit. Creates them as an affiliate immediately or redirect to Shopify checkout for the membership fee paid plan. Then activate after the payment. After the activation, you can see this dashboard. The homepage affiliates see what they are logging. The welcome screen plus their referral code, shareable link with the copy button, reset commission, pending withdrawal request, withdrawal history. Commission page show the full history of the commission they have earned with the order ID, with the date, type, description, reference, amount, and the status. Downline tree. The visual tree of everyone they have referred with how many levels each branch goes. Help motivate them to recruit and check their team. Withdrawal request. Affiliate request a payout themselves. Choose a amount, choose a payment method, and submit it. In the dashboard, you can see all the pending withdrawal request. In the dashboard, you can see the rank of this user. So this is all about the Unilevel MLM plan. Thank you.